the streets up. Yeah, yeah. Okay, wake the streets up. Okay, come on. Okay, wake the streets up. Yeah, yeah. Come on, wake the streets up. Yeah.
Yo, it's your favorite hustler, Wade Jackson, back again with another video, man. Okay, so now I got that back piece taken care of. To make a long story short, here's where the bend was. You couldn't actually see it. It was really actually here. See that little part where it keep rubbing? So if I didn't want to be so lazy, I could have took the tire off and just snipped this and left the rest on there. But as you can see, it's just a back metal piece. It's not really used for anything. See this? That's where I cut it at. If I wanted to, I could have tried to cut that whole piece out. Or like I said, I could have just cut that little piece out. So I got that. Got my stuff ready for my next little issue. And I got the car jacked up over here. As you can see, I jacked the body up and they give me all that room. Of course, we're gonna try to take some of that room. Let me get a tape measure and see what I'm measuring on the other side. Dang, so I just went in there and looked and I actually could not find my tape measure. Usually my wife handles the looking for stuff part. So I guess I'm just gonna have to wing it. So I'm gonna get up under here and see what I can do, and I'm gonna cut you guys back on in a minute. Oh yeah, and always make sure you got jack stand, safety first. These are good, but man, these can always, you know, go down, loosen and go down on accident, or they can actually slip when you have it jacked up and you tighten in bolts and stuff, so remember that. All right, y'all, under the car. So I just tried to fit this in here. And of course, just like I suspected, it wasn't gonna go. So I even got rubber ones. I had tried the little rubber ones, they wouldn't fit in there either. But on these, there's instructions on the back that actually say that if you can't get it in there, which I can't, you're supposed to undo these while your partner pushes on your rim. And you should be able to loosen the spring to where you can do it. So this will be my next deal. I'll be finding out what I need to do to take that off, and we'll see. I really need to get my shocks and springs replaced anyway, but now's not really the time. So I'm gonna undo this and see what we got. So like usual, you guys, this is not a good easy fix like they usually say. I undid the shock, as you can see. It still did not give me the room I needed, so I'm currently working on taking out, you know, I think they call this the A-arm. I'm thinking about taking out this bolt, which I'm working on. I'm waiting on my battery to charge up. And then this bolt, and then of course two on the other side, to drop this whole A-arm down, and then hopefully this spring should be wide enough for me to fit at least the metal spacer or the rubber spacer, whichever one I can fit in there. So we'll see what happens, but whew, this has been a job. Oh, just like I suspected, y'all, the verdict is not good. You know those metal ones I had, I don't know if you know, but they're really for the rear. But I tried them in the front because the rubber ones just don't work. But I did what they said and loosened up that shock absorber right there. Still didn't work. I end up taking this tire rod off from here, from right there to right here, just so I could pull the bolts out, because I went ahead and tried to let this down. Oh, that was a bitch, but finally got it down and still couldn't get them in there. So let's see what's up. What was that?